Hey, I am one of the new kids on the block, one of the new people on the channel, and my name's Jatira Ritchie. It's a peculiar name, and yeah, I guess I'm here to talk about myself a little bit and answer some questions you guys may have, like, who am I? Why am I here? What am I doing with my life? Questions I ask myself every day. Well, I go to school. I'm a student. I go to college. Love getting educated and shit. I have a music major, actually, with a concentration in composition. Concentration, to be exact. And all that means is I write music, basically. Whereas some people focus on performance. Yeah, it's fun. I like that. I live in San Diego. Come stalk me. I also work at a movie theater. And that's all you need to know right there. Movie theaters are dirty, you know what I'm saying. But for real, concession stands are a scam. People complain to me about the prices, and I'm just like, there's a 7-Eleven across the street. Why? Enough said. Like, why are you complaining? Sneak food in like everybody else. That's probably the best advice I can give to anybody in life, is to just sneak in your own food. I own a bird. Say hi. Oh my god, what are you doing? I love animals. I listen to a lot of music. I'm a big 80s fan. 80s pop music, like Berlin, George Michael, the Bangles, Madonna. I remember growing up and my mom playing Madonna's album Erotica, because it was her only CD, and that song Bad Girl on it. And then my dad is like a long-haired wild child, rocker, hardcore, punk guy. He got me into like rock and blues and classic stuff, and punk rock, Social Distortion, Circle Jerks, Misfits. I'm actually wearing a Misfits shirt. Yeah, I like hip hop. I am like going through a Lil Kim phase. I have to listen to her every single day. How Many Licks? Best song and the dirtiest lyrics I've ever heard thrown into a song, and yet it's just so catchy. I go to a lot of music festivals. One time I was in a mosh pit and I lost my shoe, and that was at Fuck Yeah Fest in Los Angeles, and I got thrown into that mosh pit, and my only way out was this fight, and I lost my fucking shoe, and I had to like look around for it forever, and I was hoping someone would like see that I'm missing a shoe and like would bring it to me, and it would be like a Cinderella moment. But it was like stuck in the mud under some like dirty grass, and it wasn't romantic at all. I guess see you guys again, and have a good day.